Meaning of fine-tooth comb.
Fine-tooth comb.
Fine-tooth comb.
Fine-tooth comb.
Fine-tooth comb. Fine-tooth comb is an idiom used to describe a thorough and comprehensive examination or search. The phrase suggests the use of a comb with closely spaced teeth to meticulously comb through something, leaving no detail unnoticed. When someone performs a task with a fine-tooth comb, they are being extremely careful and rigorous in their approach. The result of such a search or examination is a detailed and exhaustive report that covers all important aspects, ensuring that nothing is overlooked.